Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to ElectroPixels. In today's video, we are going to repair this 32-inch Samsung LED TV that came with a crackling speaker sound problem. As you can see, while inspecting the TV, we found that the speaker cone, foil paper, is already damaged, which is causing the distorted and crackling audio. The best solution is to replace the damaged speakers with new ones. To begin, we'll first remove all the screws holding the speaker assembly in place. Once the old speaker is removed, here is the brand new replacement speaker. Now let's install the new speaker and secure it properly by tightening all the screws. As you can see, the first speaker has been successfully replaced and fitted perfectly. We'll now repeat the same procedure on the other speaker. Finally, both speakers have been replaced successfully. And the repair work is complete. The TV now delivers clear, distortion-free sound once again. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this repair helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new repair videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video.